Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed some examples on ellipse using the important formula of a ellipse. In this class, the remaining examples we'll discuss in this session. So let us begin with the first example. So if distance between the foci of an ellipse is equal to its a major axis, then eccentricity of the ellipse is we have to calculate. So distance between the foci, so here it is given that distance between a foci is given by the formula 2AE is equal to sign I am taking minor axis is given by the formula 2B it is. So further both side 2 get cancels. I write relation between now E square, A square and B square is given by the formula E square equal to it is 1 minus B square by A square. So this is a formula. Now I write a solution for E it is, or we can write the solution for A. I am writing a solution for A. A is it is a B divided by E. So further E square equal to 1 minus B square divided by A square. A square is B square divided by E square. So it is shifted in a numerator. Further B square get cancels. So E square minus E square we will transport it to LHS. We get a plus E square equal to 1. E square plus E square it is a 2E square equal to 1. So we get a solution for a E square as 1 divided by 2. So solution for a E is 1 divided by under the square root of a 2. So this is a eccentricity. Therefore option A is a right answer. Option A is a right answer. We'll move to our next example. The equation of an ellipse whose major axis equal to 8. So major axis formula is 2A is equal to 8 and eccentricity is denoted by E. So E is given, this is equal to 1 divided by 2. Then equation of a ellipse we have to calculate. That means we have to calculate A square and B square. So from first equation I can write a solution for A. So 8 divided by 2 we are going to get it as a 4. Further I am going to use the relationship between E, A and B. So we get this as E square equal to 1 minus B square divided by A square. So further E square, so 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. So this is equal to 1 minus it is a B square. B square we don't know. I am going to write as it is. So A square, A is 4, 4 square is, so we are going to get it as a 16. Then further we write a solution for B square by 16. So I am taking minus B square by 16 to a LHS. It will become as a positive. So B square divided by 16, this is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 4. Further we'll take a LCM. So we get B square by 16 is equal to 4 minus 1, 3 divided by 4 it is. 4 ones are it is, 4 fours are 16. So B square we are going to get it as a 4 threes are 12. So B square is this, A is this. Then we use a formula x square by A square. A is a 4, 4 square is 16. So it is a y square by B square. B square is 12 is equal to 1 we are getting. So this equation we have to search. It is not among the any of the option. Further 16 and 12 the LCM is 48. So throughout this equation will multiply by 48. So LCM is 48. So we'll multiply 48 to entire expression here. So we get 16 ones are 16 threes are we get it. So it is a 3 x square we will get it. Next we get it as a 4 y square equal to it is a 48. So this expression we are going to get it. Okay, this is a required simplification. First we have to search this option. If it is not there, then further LCM we have to calculate. We have to search for a second option. So we'll observe that option B is a right answer. B is a right answer. Okay, we'll move to a next example. The question is the foci of the ellipse. So equation is given x square by 16 plus y square by b square equal to 1. And hyperbola, so hyperbola standard formula is not that we have studied. So x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, that is the equation of a hyperbola. If it is a middle plus sign, then it is called as a ellipse. If it is a minus sign middle, if it is a, then it is called as a hyperbola. Then the value of a b square we need to calculate here. So very simple, it is very simple, so we can find out. Okay, so now using this ellipse equation and hyperbola equation and finding a foci, comparing x coordinate, we have to calculate the value of a b square here. So we have a first ellipse equation, so we'll take it that x square. First we'll take a hyperbola x square. Here it is 25 is there, RHS is a 25, you can see here RHS is 25. We'll make it as a 1 here. So how it is, entire expression multiply by 25, that 25 we have to take it in a denominator. So we get that as it is a 12 divided by 5 whole square, y square divided by 9 divided by 5 whole square equal to 1 here. So further we'll write the relationship between E, A and B. So it is E dash square equal to 1 plus, so it is a B dash square divided by A dash square here. This is the relationship between A, B and E in case of a hyperbola. So in case of a ellipse we have taken as a positive, here we have to take it as a negative. Remember this, very simple. So further E dash square I am writing as it is. So 1 plus, so it is a B is 9 by, it is a 5, A is 12 by 5, will substitute 5 get cancels, so squaring 5 square, so we get a 3 square, we are going to get it as a 9. Okay, so we'll write it this 9 divided by 16, we are going to get it here. Okay, so further, okay, so E dash square equal to, then we have to further we have to simplify this one. So simplification is, so take a LCM as a 16 plus 9 numerator, 25 divided by 16 we are going to get it. So E dash square we are going to get it as, it is a 5 divided by 4, this is eccentricity. Then we use a formula of a foci of a hyperbola. So foci of a hyperbola is given by, it is a plus or minus A dash E dash comma 0. So it is plus or minus A, it is a 12 divided by 5. E dash, just now we have calculated 5 divided by 4 comma 0. Further 5 get cancels, 4 ones are 4 3s are 12. So foci we are going to get it as plus or minus 3 comma 0 here. I call it as a equation 1. Then we'll take now equation of a ellipse. So ellipse is x square by 16 plus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay, further foci is given by the formula, foci is given by the formula plus or minus AE comma 0. Okay, so then plus or minus 16, A square is 16, it is a 4E comma 0. Then I call it as a equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2 here you can see here, So x coordinate we have to equate it. Okay, here it is a 3 equal to 4e. Okay, I write it 4e equal to 3. So E solution is 3 divided by 4. So this we are going to get it. Now I am using the relation between A, B and E in case of a ellipses. So it is given by, it is a B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square. So further A is 16, 1 minus E square, E is 3 by 4, 3 by square 4 square is 9 by 16. So further we'll simplify it, 16. So take a LCM, 16 minus 9, 7 by 16. So 16 get cancels, B square equal to 7 we are going to get it. This is the required solution for a B square. So option D is a right answer. Option D is a right answer. So this is a first page simplification. This is second page. Okay, so we'll move to a next example. Okay, example number 4. The eccentricity of an ellipse, its a center at the origin is 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 it is. If the one of the directrix is 4, then the equation of a ellipse we have to calculate. So here x axis they have given x equal to 4, I can take it. So equation of a directrix, it is a divided by e, this is equal to 4. Then further I write a solution for a equal to, it is a 4 times e. So further see they have given a eccentricity of an ellipse is 1 divided by 2. So a is as it is 4 into e is 1 divided by 2. So it is a 2 ones are 2 twos are. So a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 we are going to get it. So now I use a relation between a, b and e. So it is a b square equal to a square 1 minus e square it is. This is a formula. So further, so a value I will substitute. So a is 2, just now only we have calculated. So a square is 4 we are going to get it. 1 minus as it is, e is eccentricity, it is 1 by 2. So e square 1 by 2 square is 1 divided by 4 we are going to get it. So further 4 is as it is, simplify 1 minus 1 by 4 we are going to get it as a 3 divided by 4. So from a numerator and denominator 4 get cancels. So b square equal to we are going to get it as a 3. So this is a solution we are going to get it. Then now we use the given geometry is a ellipse formula, x square by a square. So a is 2, 2 square is 4. So y square by b square. So b square is 3, directly I am going to take it as a 3 equal to 1. This option we have to search it. This option is not there. So further we have to find a LCM for this. So very simple. So LCM is 4 and 3, LCM is a 12. So entire equation multiply by 12 here. So 4 3s are 12. So I am going to get a 3x square. Next 3 4s are 12. So I am going to get 4y square equal to 1 into 12. I am going to get it as a 12 here. So this is the required equation. So this option we have to search it. Yes, clearly option B is a right answer here. B is a right answer. So like this we have to simplify. Okay, we'll move to our next example. The question is, in an ellipse the distance between its foci is 6 and minor axis is 8, then the eccentricity we have to calculate. That means we have to calculate the value of E here. So given things we will write clearly. So foci, distance of a foci is 2AE is equal to 6. Then minor axis, it is given by 2b equal to 8 here. So from second equation we can write the solution for b. So 2 will transport it to RHS, so we get a b value as a 4 here. B value we got it. So clear it is. Then we will see, take a ratio of these two equations. I call this as a equation 1, this I call it as a equation 2. Now we will find equation 1 divided by equation 2. So we get this as 2ae by 2b equal to 6 by 8. 2 2 get cancels, 2 3s are 2 4s are 8. So we get this as a e divided by b equal to 3 divided by 4. We are going to get it. Then I take a reciprocal of this. I am going to take reciprocal of this equation. So we get b divided by, it is a ae equal to 4 by 3. So this we get it. Now I write a solution for b by a. So e, it is in a denominator, will transport it to RHS. So it is b divided by a equal to 4 e divided by 3 here. So we get this. So further we will use the relation between a, b and e. So it is a b square equal to a square 1 minus e square it is. So this is a relation between a, b and e. So I am rewriting this b square by a square equal to 1 minus e square it is. Then b by a we know from this equation, so just will substitute by squaring. So we get a 16 e square by 3 square is 9 equal to 1 minus e square. So this e square is there, will transport it to LHS. So we get a 16 e square by 9 plus e square equal to 1. Further we will simplify it. So we get e square equal to 9 by 25. E we are going to get it as a 3 divided by 5 here. So e we get it as a 3 divided by 5. So option D is a right answer here. So option D is a right answer. Like this we have to simplify it. Okay. Yes. So we'll move to our next example. So question is, a foci of an ellipse is at the origin. Foci is at the origin. The directrix is the line x equal to 4. Eccentricity is 1 by 2. Then the length of the semi-major axis we need to calculate. So using a diagram, so we can understand this concept very easily. So we will take the geometric representation here. So this is a ellipse, we are going to get it. This is a ellipse. So further one line will be there. So this is a y dash here. So further this is x dash, this is a x. Then we'll take a one perpendicular line. Then this is a line, this is a directrix. Directrix is x equal to 4. X equal to 4. Okay. So then it is a given that a focus of the ellipse is at a origin. Origin we have drawn it in a diagram. The directrix is the line x equal to 4. Eccentricity is 1 by 2. So we will use the equation this as a by e minus ae equal to 4 here. Okay. So like this we can write it. So eccentricity is a given, e value is given 1 by 2. So in this equation we'll substitute e value as a 1 by 2. So we get a divided by e. So 1 by 2 will transport it to numerator, 2a it will become, minus e is 1 by 2, it is a by 2 equal to 4. So further take a LCM, so it is a 4a minus a divided by 2 equal to 4. So simplify it, so we are going to get this as 3a divided by 2 equal to 4. So 2 and 3 transport it to RHS, so we get a equal to 4 times, it is a 2 divided by 3. So further there is no simplification, so cancellation like that, so multiply it, 4 to the 8 divided by 3. So this is nothing but a semi-major axis. See dear students, very clear, semi-major axis is a, so a is 8 by 3, therefore option D is a right answer. Option D is the right answer. So dear students, in this session we have solved 6 examples. Remaining examples we'll solve it in a next session, so note it down. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you once again.